Now, welcome back to the channel, all my hustlers and grinders and go-getters. And me and the JoJo, we're back with another video. And if you can tell by the thumbnail, we're going to talk about how we're going to make some easy money today. Ain't that right, JoJo?
Yeah, that's right. You're coming along with us. This is a live premiere ride-along video, and we're going to show you what we're doing today to make some easy money.
So let's talk about how we got this job. There's around 20 to 30 mattresses here that we're gonna pick up today. And how I got this job was I was doing a job next door. I seen a bunch of mattresses outside. So I took the time, I walked inside the office, talked to the manager, let him know what we did, and gave him a business card. And guess what? It's been 2 years now, JoJo, and we're still doing work for them.
So that just goes to show you that when you see an opportunity, grab it and you will get business from that. So, and the worst that they can do is say no. So give it a shot, because it could be a yes that gives you a job multiple times over the course of 2 years.
So don't be scared. Closed mouths don't get fed. So get your bread.
So if you're behind the computer, you're watching this, leave a comment, say hi. We'll answer you back because we're watching this video right along with you.
See, I told you guys there was gonna be some easy money today. JoJo, how long did that take?
That took like 5 minutes. That was super easy.
We was in and out super fast, and while I was there, I got a phone call from a customer that said he had 100 tons of concrete he wanted to remove, JoJo. Holy shit. And here's the tip of the day. Whenever you get phone calls like that with a bunch of dirt or a bunch of concrete, always shoot it to the competitor you hate the most. And that's the tip of the day. That's a good one, huh? Now, JoJo, who's the cover winner of the week?
We have Miguel Nunez with the Junk Hunter.
And check him out. He's out of Southern California. I love the trailer.
And if you want to be one of our cover winners, all you have to do is look up Junk Removal Trash Talk, join the group, and send us your picture, and you may end up on the cover.
Now, JoJo, here's the real question. What's your prediction of the dump fee on this back here?
Ooh, I think it's might be the minimum. We're going to travel a ways to get rid of these, so it's not going to cost much.
I'm going to say $54.
And I'm going to say 43.
Now let's see what happens.
So let us know in chat, what do you do with the mattresses? What's your minimum pickup price? And what is your plan when you get a mattress? Does your dump charge you a lot extra for a mattress? Some areas do, some areas do not. In our area, they charge us $50 per mattress and box spring. So if you're taking in both of those, they're charging you $100, and it's really hard to make a profit when they're charging you that much. So we have a plan. Step one, sometimes we cut them up, or we take them to a free mattress drop off, but they fill up really fast, and half the time they're not even open. And sometimes we have to drive far out to an area that does not charge per mattress. And that's our plan. And we have a lot of mattresses back here. So obviously we are going to do some driving today to get rid of these mattresses, not for $50 a piece. So let us know, what do you have to do when you get a mattress?
So JoJo, did you bring the gasoline and the matches?
No, I did not bring those things.
Gas prices are super high right now, JoJo, so we ain't gonna travel all the way to Vallejo to dump these. We're gonna find a field and light these bad boys on fire.
We gonna set it on fire.
We gonna set it on fire today. No, I'm just kidding, we're heading to Vallejo. Now make sure if you guys like these videos, smash that like button.
And also hit the notification bell because you will be notified every time we put out a video. So leave a comment in chat and let us know, how far do you travel? Because this is as far as we will go.
So we're traveling 45 miles away, and that's the farthest we'll travel. And we're real lucky right now because gas prices are a lot cheaper. They're $4.35 a gallon for regular gas and $5.55 for diesel, which is crazy cheap right now in California. Now, JoJo, who's the hauler and baller of the week?
We have Jarrett Ferris, who's actually a channel member, and he won a Haulin' and Ballin' t-shirt.
And check him out, rocking the gear, representing the Haulin' and Ballin'. So guess who won? It was the JoJo Lena. It was the minimum.
The minimum. I won. We saved so much money. I feel like we won twice.
We did, JoJo. So now it's taco review time. We're gonna see if these tacos over here are better than the ones in Sonoma County, JoJo.
Yeah, and they have their work cut out for them because Sonoma County, we have some really good food. So let's see what they are compared to us.
Let's do it. So now it is review time, and JoJo, I'm gonna give it to him, JoJo. The tacos were off the damn hook. I give them 2 thumbs up, and they beat us in Sonoma County for sure.
Yeah, I would say they did. Their meat, I like their meat better, and yeah, I'm actually really surprised.
I'm surprised too, so I'll leave them a 5-star review if they have a Google My Business for sure.
Yep.
So now we're heading to the next one, and we're heading back to Sonoma County. You ready?
Yeah. So Matt went in to do a bid, and we might get it. And if we get it, we'll either schedule it for another day, or we might even get it done right now, right on the spot, because you will notice that when you bid jobs in person, you will land many more of your jobs if you do it in person. And this person found us on a Google search.
Now, come on, you know Mr. Matt Vick locked the job in. Now let's check out the jobby job. Can you say easy money?
At the next job of the day, and this came from a landscaper, and boy, is this a tough one.
Holy shit, JoJo. This is another easy job.
Yes, today is definitely an easy job day where you just pull up and load up. They're the best days.
Now let's take a look at what's inside the bag.
So these bags are just full of leaves, and they're dry leaves, and they don't weigh anything.
Now, hallelujah, JoJo. We made some killer money today, and we're done for the day.
Yeah, and it was so easy that I barely felt like we worked.
We drove around most of the day, and I would say we worked maybe about, what, 25 minutes total? Total work?
And we made great money.
We made killer money. Now I'm gonna tell you why the JoJo's the shit. When I was gone hunting for a week and I came back, she hooked up the YouTube room, and let me tell you, it looks badass. Should we show them?
Yeah, let's show them. Welcome to the YouTube room. I did this while Matt was gone hunting. I love to decorate, so I had some ideas that I didn't let him know about, and when he was gone, I put in the work. So if you like these videos and you want to learn more about how to work for yourself, hit like, subscribe, and also check out our other videos.